Hello, my name is Chad Greenwood, and today I will be informing you as to what a software developer is. Here is an outline of the presentation. First, I will introduce you to the topic by differentiating a software developer from related roles. Next, I will describe the occupation by highlighting three major areas: the education and requirements to become one, their duties and responsibilities, and their salary and benefits. Lastly, I will cover the occupational outlook of the career. To begin explaining what a software developer is, let's differentiate it from two similar occupations. A software developer needs to be more than just a programmer. A programmer is someone who will take instructions and write the corresponding code. In a company, a developer may have to write code, but more important tasks will include managing the project and discussing needs with customers. Another job which is more closely related to software developer is software engineer. Many may consider these the same, however arguments state they are different. For our intents and purposes, all that needs to be known is that a software engineer will use the scientific approach to create his software, while a developer may be more creative. If you'd like to know more about this argument, I left a link in the description that you can follow to learn more. Now a little more on software developers. There are two types of programs which they'll create: applications and system software. Applications are software which meet the specific needs of users. They are the programs you run every day to get things done. They are commonly referred to as apps on mobile devices. System software provides a stable and reliable environment for applications to run on. This could be a device's firmware or an operating system. The picture shows both. The open window is the Mozilla Firefox web browser, an application. Firefox is running on Ubuntu Linux, which is a system software. Moving along, education and requirements will start the in-depth look at a software developer. To gain entry-level access to software developer positions, a bachelor's degree in computer science, programming, or a related field is needed. Some jobs may not require this, however it will most likely be required for advancement. Another choice is to continue schooling and get a master's degree in computer science or information science for access to more complex development jobs. In order to develop software, one must understand software. Having the required education will give you the programming and computer-related skills to understand how to develop the appropriate software. Other skill requirements may include teamwork and management, whether it be for the project, other team members, or even employees. With most computer-related jobs, you'll be required to keep up with current technology. This will give you a major advantage in the workforce. Now let's move on to the duties and responsibilities of a software developer. A software developer will be in charge of planning and executing the production of software. They will determine the needs of the users or customers in order to produce the correct software. Some tasks a software developer may accomplish would include writing, testing, and reviewing code, fixing bugs, solving tough customer questions, project management, and documentation, although the actual tasks may change depending on the company. In a larger company, there are more boundaries as to what your job is. You may be working in a team, or others may be tasked with completing things less related to the software, such as the customer problems. You will have more time to devote to developing the software. Remember talking about programmers? The diagram here is an example of the instructions a programmer would receive in order to write a program. A software developer working in a large organization will not code the software, but instead develop and design what the program should do and how it should do it, then send this information to a programmer. Because smaller businesses have less employees, they retain the amount of tasks which need to be completed, although the tasks may be smaller. A software developer will have to branch out and complete other tasks. If the company is small enough, the software developer will do the programming. This will require that the person not only have developing skills, but programming skills. Other tasks a developer may have are testing and maintaining of code, solving tough customer problems, and personally determining the needs from the customers or users. Now for the final part of the occupational description: salaries and benefits. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, software developers make over twice the median salary of all occupations. This diagram shows us their findings. Benefits offered in this occupational field may include 401k, paid holiday or vacation time, life insurance and disability, casual address or environment, and flex time or a flexible schedule. Now for the occupational outlook. where we'll see that the job market for this career is growing very rapidly. As more people gain access to technology, more people are needed to keep up with the demand for software. In 2010, the number of jobs in this career was over 913,000. With the current growth rates, this will result in an increase of over 270,000 jobs by 2020. U.S. News Digital Weekly has listed software developer as number 2 in the top 10 careers to count on. To recap on what we covered, software developers may work on applications like Firefox or Thunderbird, or system software like Ubuntu Linux or Microsoft Windows. A bachelor's degree in computer science, programming, or a related field will grant access to entry-level jobs. A master's degree in computer science or information science may be required for more complex jobs. Skills required include programming, teamwork, project management, and the ability to create and maintain customer relations. Jobs in the software development field include a high pay with many benefits. The outlook is high, with many more jobs being created. I hope that this video presentation has been informative, and that if you're a student, you will consider this career for your future. Thanks for watching.